Come with me. Leave the world of sun and air behind. We slip beneath the surface where light fades and silence reigns. This is a realm of immense pressure and perpetual twilight, a living cathedral, vast and mysterious. Most of our planet is covered by this hidden world, teeming with life stranger than we can imagine. Down we go, deeper and deeper, as sunlight becomes a memory. Here, life has adapted in extraordinary ways, surviving where the weight of the ocean is crushing. Every shadow could hide a hunter, every flicker of light, a lure. We are intruders, privileged to witness the dramas of this alien environment. The world transforms into deep indigo and black, but it is far from empty. This is the abyss, the largest living space on Earth, where new species are discovered with every dive. Life here depends not on the sun, but on chemical reactions and the slow rain of organic matter from above. Each ecosystem is a delicate web, built over millions of years. The creatures of this eternal night are bizarre and wonderful. Our journey has just begun. We stand at the edge of the unknown. The darkness is alive, a theater of life where incredible stories unfold. We must move slowly with respect and wonder. The inhabitants of this world, hunters, hiders, giants, and tiny marvels, await us. Let us venture forward into the heart of the water to meet the most amazing creatures of this hidden universe. The curtain rises on a spectacle of nature few have witnessed. In the shallow waters of Southeast Asia, a true shapeshifter lurks, the mimic octopus. Not the largest or strongest, but perhaps the cleverest, it survives by impersonating other animals. This is not simple camouflage, but dynamic mimicry, a performance of survival. When threatened, it transforms, flattening its body to become a flatfish or raising striped arms to mimic a venomous sea snake. Each disguise is chosen to deter specific predators, requiring both physical flexibility and environmental awareness. Scientists have seen it mimic lionfish, jellyfish, and even crabs. Over a dozen different animals. Its secret: thousands of pigment sacs called chromatophores controlled by tiny muscles let it change color and texture instantly. Its boneless, malleable body completes the illusion. The mimic octopus is a testament to intelligence and adaptation, a master of disguise thriving through wit and theatrical flair. In a world of constant danger, it survives by becoming whatever it needs to be. Here, survival is an art form, and the mimic octopus is its greatest artist. Every encounter is a new performance, every threat a new role. In the underwater theater, few can match its creativity. The mimic octopus reminds us, sometimes the best defense is imagination, and in these waters, imagination is everything. We plunge into the midnight zone, where sunlight never reaches and pressure is immense. Here lives the anglerfish, a creature of nightmare and wonder. Its cavernous mouth and needle-like teeth are built for ambush, but its most famous feature is the glowing lure, a living lantern of bioluminescent bacteria. In the blackness, this light is irresistible. The anglerfish dangles its lure before its mouth, waiting for curious prey to approach. When they do, it strikes in a flash, its jaws creating a powerful suction. The hunt is over in an instant, but the anglerfish's strangeness doesn't end there. Males are tiny, their only purpose to find a female. When they do, they latch on, fusing their bodies and becoming permanent sperm donors. In the vast emptiness, this bizarre partnership ensures survival. The anglerfish is a master of patience, deception, and adaptation. In the abyss, every advantage counts. Here, light is a weapon, and survival demands the most extreme solutions. The anglerfish is proof. In the deep, the rules of life are rewritten, and the darkness is never empty. Ascend from the abyss to meet a creature that has, in a sense, conquered death, the immortal jellyfish, Turritopsis dohrnii. No bigger than a fingernail, it drifts unnoticed, yet possesses a biological superpower. When injured or old, it can reverse its development, transforming back into its juvenile form. Most jellyfish follow a simple life cycle: adult, larva, polyp, then adult again, ending in death. But not this one. Through a process called transdifferentiation, its cells revert to an earlier state, forming a new polyp colony. From this, new jellyfish bud off, genetically identical, ready to begin again. Barring predation or disease, it is biologically immortal. This endless loop of rejuvenation fascinates scientists, offering clues to aging and regeneration. The immortal jellyfish is a living paradox, a tiny creature defying the rules of life and death. In its gelatinous body, it holds secrets that could change our understanding of biology. Nature's ingenuity knows no bounds. Even the smallest drifter can bend the rules of existence. In the ocean, immortality is not just a myth. On the sunlit coral reefs, a formidable predator hides, the mantis shrimp. Not a shrimp, but a stomatopod. It is a marvel of engineering. Its weapon, a pair of club-like claws that strike with bullet speed, shattering shells and even aquarium glass. Some species spear prey with barbed appendages, others smash with devastating force. The mantis shrimp is fiercely territorial, a solitary hunter with a violent reputation, but its eyes are even more extraordinary. Capable of seeing colors and polarized light beyond human imagination, with up to 16 types of color receptors, it perceives a world invisible to us. Each eye moves independently, providing trinocular vision and unmatched depth perception. This visual mastery lets it spot prey and predators in the chaotic reef. The mantis shrimp is both warrior and seer, a symphony of color and violence. In the reef's crowded theater, it is a star performer. Here, survival is about speed and power and perception. The mantis shrimp reminds us the ocean's wonders are often hidden in plain sight, and sometimes the smallest creatures pack the mightiest punch. In the icy Arctic, the narwhal glides a true unicorn of the sea. Its legendary tusk, a spiraled tooth up to 10 feet long, inspired centuries of myth. But the truth is even more remarkable. The tusk is a sensory organ packed with millions of nerve endings. It detects changes in temperature, pressure, and salinity vital for survival in shifting ice. Narwhals use this tool to sense their environment, not for aggression but perception. They dive deep, hunting in darkness, guided by echolocation. Life beneath the Arctic ice is harsh and mysterious. Narwhals remain elusive, their lives largely hidden from science. Their tusk is a window into a frozen world, a probe, not a weapon. In the Arctic silence, the narwhal is a master of adaptation. Its legend is real, and its reality is even more magical. The unicorn of the sea is a marvel of evolution. In the oxygen-starved depths, a living fossil drifts. The vampire squid from hell. Neither squid nor octopus, it is the last of its kind, a relic from ancient oceans. Despite its name, it is a gentle scavenger, not a monster. Its cloak-like webbing and spiny arms create a dramatic defense when threatened. Its eyes are the largest, proportionally, of any animal, glowing red or blue in the dark. Two long filaments sense the world around it. With copper-rich blood and a slow metabolism, it survives where oxygen is scarce. It feeds on marine snow, organic debris drifting from above. The vampire squid is a master of light, covered in photophores that create dazzling displays. When attacked, it releases glowing mucus, confusing predators and escaping into darkness. It is a survivor from a lost world, thriving in the breathless deep. In the ocean shadows, the vampire squid endures. Quiet, resilient, and full of mystery. A true relic of another time. In the kelp forests of southern Australia, a living jewel drifts, the leafy sea dragon. Adorned with leaf-like appendages, it is a master of camouflage, blending perfectly with seaweed. It moves with slow, graceful elegance, propelled by nearly invisible fins. Swaying with the kelp, it becomes almost impossible to spot. Its long snout slurps up tiny crustaceans, hunting with patience and stealth. Lacking teeth and a stomach, it must eat constantly to survive. The male carries the eggs, nurturing them until they hatch, tiny replicas of their parents. The leafy sea dragon is a fragile masterpiece, a testament to evolution's artistry. Hidden in plain sight, it is both predator and prey. Its beauty is delicate, its existence precarious. In the underwater forest, it is a living work of art. The leafy sea dragon reminds us, nature's wonders are often the hardest to see. Our journey ends, but the ocean's mysteries remain. We've met masters of disguise, hunters with living lures, and creatures that defy death. For every marvel we've seen, countless more await discovery. The oceans are the cradle of life, a web of connections and adaptations. Every organism, from plankton to whale, plays a vital role. The strange adaptations we've witnessed are the result of millions of years of evolution. Yet, this hidden world is fragile, threatened by climate change, pollution, and overfishing. The future of these creatures is tied to our choices. Their survival depends on our respect and protection. The deep is not just a scientific frontier, but a vital part of our planet's heritage. Let us carry the wonder of this journey with us, and remember the light that life creates in the darkness. The water that covers our world is alive with marvels beyond imagination. In its depths lies the story of life itself, a mystery worth protecting.